And hello there again, fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest HGCE or HGA Cosmic Era kit to be released. We have the Black Knight Squad Rud-ro.a, which is the main mobile suit of the main leader of the Black Knights. And on contrary on the name, yeah, he is covered in all white. Anyway, what you can see here in the box art is somewhat, similar to Mighty Strike Freedom, although it's only, he's facing to the left while Mighty Strike Freedom is facing to the right. How they are complete opposites. One likes Lacus Love, the other one just likes her body. And that's in the part of the box art. On to the side, we can see here it still has the seed action system, but also some few new gimmicks, as you can see here. Despite being a bad guy, but still, hey, it's okay. We have the Rud-ro.a here, front and back, and of course this one here. Details about the movie, and let's see what's inside this big box. Now we are hoping that none of these gold trims are stickers. So let's see. Off to one bag, we see one sprue all white, one sprue all gold, and one sprue that is all gray. So meaning no gold stickers. Nice. Another bag with all gold as well, and some saber beam effects. And shipping again. Another bag with two sprues of all white and two of the saber beam effects again. Another bag with saber beam effects. Another bag with all gold, all white, and multicolored sprue. And I think the last bag contains only all white and a big sticker sheet. And we also have some PET plastic here for the other parts of the effects. And lastly, we have the instruction manual, which is turned into a book type. Same with Freedom and the other mobile suits. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off is the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We see some parts for the beam effects. We see some white parts, some purple parts, and some light blue parts. We also have the B sprue here, which is, I think, most of the inner framings and stuff, which is same with Mighty Strike Freedom, is all gold. We have now the C sprue, which starts with the armor parts for the Black Knight Rud-ro.a, which is all white here. It has two D sprues. Yep. Two D sprues. Two D sprues for the pair of armors and other parts of the Rud-ro.a. It also has two E sprues. Now this I think is for the backpack. Yeah, there you go, two E sprues. We also have an F1 sprue, which is again all gold for the gold trimmings of Rud-ro.a, and another F2 for the additional gold trimmings of Rud-ro.a. We also have two G sprues here, which is again parts for the backpack. There you go, all gold. We then have an H sprue here, which is the only gray part, which is the weapon of Rud-ro.a, and we have 8 of this saber beam effects. And unfortunately no stickers for the gold trims, but unfortunately we do have stickers for all of these purple parts here. So disappointing. And there you have it again, the fans and folks. That was the inside the box of the Black Knight Squad Rud-ro.a from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie, which is piloted by Orphe and also Ingrid, parts of the bad guy. So this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, share the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.